course the car is out of gas, so I gotta stop by to get some gas and then we should be on our way. But I want you guys to hear this part. Like when you start up the car, a lot of people say it sounds like samurai swords clanging together. So here, check it out. I don't know if you heard that, but it sounds like really metallic just because this thing has a ORC single plate clutch and it's all metal. So yeah. So I was a little disappointed at the Puget Sound Toyota Owners Festival just because there's only one other A86, and hopefully today I'll get my fix of some old school Corollas. So I'll see you guys in like 2 hours. Alright, so I'm about 20 minutes out. That was over an hour drive, and look at this, I'm like in the middle of nowhere. I think this is Chehalis, Washington. And yeah, there's like nothing out here. I haven't seen any cars around at all. So yeah, just a lot of big empty fields, a lot of horses and cows out here. So yeah, about 20 minutes and I should be at the spot. So I got here a while ago, and I guess we're doing a parade lap right now. All the E6 is just gonna go on track, and yeah. We got a few lined up here already. Still some more coming. And some on track already, finishing up the drifting. So yeah. So that was the first lap of the parade lap, and we're all just here taking some pictures. There's mine. And there's a lot of Corollas here. There's at least 50 or so. This is the most I've ever seen here, or actually ever. Yeah, I just walk around a little. Love the Hoshinos. Yeah, a lot of these are drift cars, so they're all kind of beat up, especially this one, but this guy was going hard.
I have no idea, like, really what it is. At idle, it's fine. Yeah, I don't really know what it is.
Ooh, I like this one. Got some TEs, I think. And this is Shred Dynasty. If you guys seen their videos, these guys are awesome. All beam swapped. Got a 1J. Alright, let's come back on this side. There's a few 11s here, probably like 5. This one's super clean. There's me again. God, these wheels are so good though. Hoshinos. And this guy, this is actually the guy that I got my 8.6 from. We traded my MR2 for that. So 20 valve swap, super clean. He's known this since 01. Justin Knoll, another super clean 20 valve. Sweet stickers.
Remember that like shirt thing? What you call it? Yeah, the pull it.
Yeah, so I guess after the photo shoot, we're gonna do another 2 laps, another 2 parade laps, and that'll be the end of the show. Alright, so we're going for another 2 laps for the parade, and everyone's starting up their cars. And we're going to be using video from my iPhone, so hopefully it's not too shaky or crappy. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. I mean, we're going pretty slow, but it's still cool. Bunch of 8.6s on the track. I wish I can get footage from off the track, but oh well. It's still cool. Here you go. Here's some action. That's as far as I can zoom in. I guess that's pretty much that. We got all these guys still drifting back here. A couple of Corollas here. I actually really like this T72 with the quad headlights. So yeah, we're gonna take a quick walk around before everyone leaves. Really like that T72. And how I wish I had a hatchback. Treno hatchback. There's me again. A couple of nice ones here. Again, I just love those wheels. The Hoshinos. And whatever those are. And we got a few more over here. Pair of W11s here. That one's blacktop 20 valve. There's the Hoshinos again. God, I love those wheels. Ooh, here we go. Work equips 01s. Formula Atlantic valve covers too. 20 valve ITBs and a nice mid-rise header. These valve covers cost like $1,000. It's ridiculous, but it looks cool. Then we got a F20 here, S2000 engine. Yeah, I started recording a little late, so some of the Corollas left already. Still some cool ones around here. I hear this one is beams powered too, but I didn't see it on track yet. Longchamps are cool too. Let's see. Let's go look at the Shed Dynasty guys. So many spare wheels.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Like I was saying, there is way more out here, but I recorded a little late because I got caught up talking to people. So, sorry I missed that, but yeah, I guess I'll be heading home now. Those are goals right there though. Beams, ITBs, that sounds amazing. So, yeah. It's gonna be like a 2-hour drive home, so I'll see you guys later. Alright, so heading back home now, and I finally got service on my phone so I know where I'm going, because I'm like in the middle of nowhere. It looks like they're planting trees out here. I don't know. So I think it's gonna be like another 2-hour or an hour and a half drive home, but the Corolla's doing great. It's not overheating. It's driving just fine. So yeah, it's a good car. Alright, so I just did about 20 miles from Spirit Peaks Raceway, and now I'm in this small town of Toledo, Washington. I have no idea where this is. Somewhere in the middle of Washington, but I figured I'd stop by and get the stuff here. I mean, I'll probably never come down here again, but this looks like a cool place to get a shot. I guess that's gonna be it for this video. This is my first time doing A6 day in like 5 years, and the first time I did it was in an AW11. So yeah, I wish I did a better job before then. A6 runs like a champ. Like I said, no problems, no overheating. Let's see how much longer I got left to get home. So an hour 42 minutes, about 94 miles. Rip me. Bucket seat, racing clutch, and no AC. So I'll see you guys in the next one.